How to check Starbucks gift card balance. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily check your Starbucks gift card balance online. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first open up a browser on your phone and then you have to search for www.starbucks.com and then / and then write card. So you have to search for this exact website www.starbucks.com / and once you search for this, you will be taken to this page, and here you will see add or reload or check balance. So we want to check our card's balance, so tap on check balance and then enter here your card number with no spaces or dashes and then enter security code and then tap on check balance. If you have entered your card number and security code correctly, it will show your card balance. So this is how you can check your Starbucks gift card balance. Thanks for watching.